Hello everyone. For several years now, we have been hearing more and more about the terms machine learning, artificial intelligence, or deep learning, even in the mainstream media. Nevertheless, these terms are sometimes confused even though they have a very distinct meaning. We will see what are the specificities of each of these terms in this video. If these terms are confused, it is because even if they do not mean the same things, they remain very closely related. In reality, they are only different levels of the same parent discipline, artificial intelligence. If we often hear about the exploits of artificial intelligence in fields such as image recognition, they are not limited. In fact, artificial intelligence is a very broad and rather vague term, but it can be defined as a set of theories and implementation techniques, in order to realize machines capable of simulating human intelligence. Thus, as soon as one tries to imitate human behavior with a machine, it is artificial intelligence, whether it is imitating the behavior of a video game player, understanding a text, trying to analyze a person's feelings by looking at his face, or composing music. Such a wide range of problems even inevitably leads to an even wider range of possible technical solutions to solve them. For example, for a computer to be able to play tic-tac-toe, a simple program of a few conditions allows to consider all the possible cases and to come up with a simple artificial intelligence that is not really intelligent but which manages to reach its goal without the need for complicated learning techniques. The computer here is based on rules and a procedure that was directly taught to it by the programmer who has artificial intelligence, and no learning was necessary. This very deterministic approach is usually the simplest to implement. Unfortunately, it is very limited and many problems cannot be solved in such a simplistic way. For example, it is almost impossible to write a traditional algorithm as one could have done to play tic-tac-toe with complex patterns such as faces. This is where machine learning algorithms come into play. These algorithms, which are a subcategory of artificial intelligence algorithms, will be based on examples given to them during a learning phase in order to tackle the problems they are asked to solve. These are very numerous, some of them are quite simple to understand. However, there is a machine learning algorithm that has been the talk of the town lately: deep learning algorithms. They are particularly effective in all areas where other artificial intelligence algorithms fail, so all the major advances in artificial intelligence achieved in recent years are thanks to deep learning algorithms. This is why when we talk about artificial intelligence today, we generally speak by overuse of the language of deep learning and vice versa. These algorithms have the particularity of being effective where the brain is also effective, such as in the recognition of objects and images or in the transcription of oral discussions into text. This particularity is not due to chance. In fact, these algorithms work by simulating artificial neural networks imitating the principle of brain function. There are several of them and each one is adapted to a different context of use. For example, convolutional networks are very effective in everything related to vision. Recurrent networks are more effective in natural language processing, or neural networks called GANs are even able to invent images from scratch like a painter. The functioning of deep learning algorithms being a very vast subject, I will detail it in future videos.
Well, that was all for today. If you have any doubt, feel free to add your question in the comment section. Thank you.